You read the title, you know what's about to happen. I just found a new way for you guys to get the announcements channel where you can follow to get this channel's updates in your own server for absolutely free. All you have to do is follow the steps in this video. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to be doing to get this follow part in your announcements channel is do the following. So you're going to go up here to the best server or whatever your channel name is and go to server settings, and right in community tab you're going to go to enable community and you're going to press get started. And now you can keep your community safe. You can have verification levels, so verified email required. I'm going to click that and scan media from content from all members. Next, setting up the basics, you have to have rules, so you go to create one for me. You should have a rules channel. If not, make one and click on that, create one for me, rules, and of course announcements as well, create one for me. Scroll down to announcements or server announcements, server updates, whatever it's called. Now once you have that set up, you're going to go to next and default notifications to messages only, remove moderation permissions from everyone. I agree and understand. You don't have to click these. This is just a preference, but if you do, it's totally okay. That's what I'm going to be doing. Now you're going to go ahead and click finish setup, and you officially have community settings, and you can make a welcome screen. You see these when you join community servers. You've seen these before, right? We all have, right? You can set those up. You can enable discovery if you have 10,000 members. Here are all of the requirements. Below 10,000 members, server too young. So you have to have 10,000 members. You have to have an 8-week-old server. No bad words, and you have to have 2FA requirement for moderation. I don't have 2FA on this account, but I do on other accounts. You can also see your server insights, but I'm not going to go through that. What you came for was the announcements channel, so you're going to go ahead and exit out and delete your normal announcements channel, or you don't really have to, but not yet. Don't do it yet. You're going to do that in a minute though. You're going to go ahead and click create channel and announcements channel and name it announcements create channel, and you officially have one. So if you don't already, you're actually going to want to make a staff voice chat or staff chat. So just go ahead and create channel and text channel and make it private to only owner, admin, executive owner, mod, whatever you want, just the mods and helpers, create channel. And once you have your staff chat, you're going to go ahead and go to server settings and overview and change this to staff chat, and there you have it, your announcements channel. You can delete this one now, and you have announcements channel. So here I'm going to go on to an alt account and I'm going to show you how it works. So now that I'm officially on my alt account, I can go to announcements channel, and as you can see here, I can follow this channel, and I'm just gonna put it there. As you can see, I'm officially following this, and if I go onto this server, and once I post on my original server, this one, it will appear in the Chill Gaming Zone. So here's me showing you it working. And once you type something in the announcements channel, you're going to be able to publish it. So once it's published, I can head over to this, and it says it obviously. I'm following it, I think. Alright, and I go over to this channel. As you can see, it said it right here. The best server said yo. So I hope you all enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, of course, enjoy, remember to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to be notified whenever I post a new video for your entertainment and your Discord server. And without further ado, I will see you all next time I upload. Let's roll the intro.